This is Bruiser, my friend's Chihuahua. And that is the tiger plushie that we have decided to call La Tigre de Amor because it is his plushie sex toy.
It is his love slut.
It is his love slut, his butt slut, whatever
Get away from our
you want to call it.
Bruiser.
And I must say, he's been doing this probably for 15, 20 minutes straight now. And we've been thoroughly amused. So we decided to film.
The love slut.
Hopefully, the dog doing something to the tiger. Oh, yep, there he goes.
Get different angles. No, more sideways.
Yes, look at the camera. Make love to the camera. Go back to your love slut.
He's like, oh, I've always wanted to film.
Oh, I like to film. You're making me hot.
It's
Caliente.
Try sitting next to the dog when he's doing this. My friend has a 4-year-old daughter, and she's upstairs sleeping.
We all know you're not done.
It's like the dog knows that the kid went to sleep and it's love time. He doesn't behave like this all day long. Oh, I'm so manly.
Don't come near me with your weenus. Go away.
No, get him away from me, too.
I don't want him.
Well,
Go to your
push him.
tiger.
Don't let him walk over you to get to me. Come to your tiger.
Go get her.
He went as far as, like, he's been humping it and, like, anatomically correctly. He's been moving the tiger's tail.
Nope, don't, nope. Mm-mm.
Every position. Doggy style, sideways, on his back. Like, this tiger has been getting it.
Get some.
Oh, it's so gross.
Are you done?